Which vaccine should insurance companies be required to cover? That's a hot topic, and next week in Washington, the feds will make recommendations. There are signs that some of the shots covered today may not be covered next week, but a Pennsylvania lawmaker trying to stop that from happening, regardless of what's decided in D.C.
Vaccines work. They save lives.
State Rep Arvind Venkat is an ER doc who's seen it all, but says in 25 years has never seen a single case of polio, mumps, tetanus, or diphtheria.
These are diseases that have been eradicated for all intents and purposes in our country because of vaccines.
Vaccines covered by insurance companies based on recommendations by the CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, which meets next week, and Venkat fears may remove some requirements.
That has obviously been blown up by Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and his anti-vaccine ideology.
Venkat wants the state to require what the feds may not. Insurance company continuing to pay for vaccines as they have been.
We need to bring it back to the state level to make sure that Pennsylvanians continue to have the assurance that if they get vaccines, it'll be covered.
I did speak with several Republicans to see if there was pushback against this bill, but they said, we're not against vaccines. We're just against the government requiring someone to get a vaccine. The doctor/lawmaker is pretty clear about that.
There's no vaccine mandate in this bill.
Except it would mandate that insurance companies pay for vaccines, even if the feds say they don't have to. The Affordable Care Act says states can go beyond CDC recommendations, but when they do, they, the states, not the insurance companies, pick up the tab.
We are totally dependent on the altruism of the insurance companies, which, I think they understand their bottom line and the benefits of vaccines, but we need the assurance as Pennsylvanians that under law, this is required.
And Dr./Representative Venkat insists that vaccines ultimately save insurance companies money because patients get less sick. Do the companies agree with that? We won't know unless and until those guidelines are changed, possibly next week.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.